guys, I know I'm doing this belatedly, but this is I believe the September Target beauty box. It's hard to tell because I bought it at the same time as the October ones. Mostly because the September one was very lackluster. So one is October, one is September. I think this is October, if I'm not mistaken. So this should be September. I also got the men's one just because. So that's a thing, but anywho, I'm digging the leafy motif on here. I think it's very cute. But, yeah, I remember I didn't get it at first. It was very lackluster. I was just kind of like, I don't know how I feel about that one. I wasn't even sure I was going to buy it. But then when the October ones came out, I was like, oh, screw it. I'm going to get the September ones. So, and apologies that I look like a hot mess. We are still in the middle of the PG&E outage. So, we're having crazy winds and shit right now. And who knows how many days it's going to be out. But at least we've got the generator going, which means as long as that goes, I've got internet, so I can keep posting, so I don't go completely insane. But anyway, I will probably not be looking very cute during it because we can't bathe or anything. We can't run water. Yeah, it's like that. So anyways, so the little card with it. I'm disappointed. It's not a cute color of tissue paper this time. It's just like beige. Glow into fall. Summer might be winding down, but who says your beauty routine needs to? With the help of a few power products, you can keep glowing into fall and beyond. Here are the go-tos that will keep your skin, hair, and nails radiant as ever. You can thank us later. Try them out, and if you love as much, blah, 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 the usual crap. So, okay. So let us go ahead. Yeah, now I'm remembering why I almost skipped it. So first thing is literally just emery boards. I paid $7 for this box. I'm pretty sure the stuff in here does not add up to being worth $7, but this is by the brand Trim. It's the Trim Salon board in pink. Gently buffs and smooths out edges, giving nails a soft, shiny finish so polish goes on seamlessly and looks perfect. Psst. Compact and portable, toss one in your bag for quick nail fixes on the go. It looks like there's 2 of them in here. Yeah, there is. Okay. Professional quality. Dude, it's an effing emery board. It's not that special. I guarantee you, there's nothing special about this from any other emery board, other than it's kind of big. I think it is bigger than a lot of emery boards, but, it's kind of thick, too, so I mean, that's nice. Trim products have manufactured to the highest quality standards that have satisfied customers for over 70 years. It has the same thing of blend and smooth, natural and artificial nail edges and surfaces, cushion for better grip, directions for use, nails should always be filed when dry to ensure smooth edges, place the board under the nail edge and file in one direction only. For artificial and acrylic nails, use the board to smooth and blend the seams between the artificial nails or tips and the natural nails. Board can also be used for shaping and maintaining tips and edges of artificial and acrylic nails. Hold board at an angle and file in one direction only. Cleaning instructions, brush board under running water, pat dry and allow to air dry. Honestly, I did not know you could get them wet. Maybe that's something that's just specific to this brand, but most emery boards I'm pretty sure would get messed up if you got them wet. So at least these can be cleaned. There is that. So, okay, whatever. I mean, you can always use emery boards, so I guess it's not terrible. It's just not very exciting. Okay, we've got a sheet mask. I'm happy about the sheet mask. This is a Miss Spa Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. Natural aloe restores and replenishes even the driest skin. Maybe I'll use this during this outage. Make me feel a little better about myself. It's got aloe leaf extract, dermatologist tested, results in 20 minutes. Dewy Fresh isn't just for mornings. Restore youthful suppleness with a rich infusion of moisturizers that instantly replenish your fresh look. Step 1. Unfold the mask and remove the plastic backing. Place mask onto clean, dry skin. Oh, well, see, my face isn't that clean right now. So, go for it. It will look lovely on you. No, it's a face mask. Step 2. Gently press edges and pat mask until it fully adheres to your pretty face. They are sucking up so hard. Step 3. Turn off the phone and close your eyes for 20 minutes. Oh, bite me. Like that's gonna happen. For 20 minutes. Daydream about being a queen. Step 4. Remove the mask and gently pat remaining serum onto skin and wipe away any excess. Hello, gorgeous. Free from fragrance, parabens, and sulfates. Dermatologist and allergy tested, not tested on animals. Use immediately after opening, following a patch test. Results may vary. Okay, so what's it say about it? Mist Swap Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. Aloe vera and sodium hyaluronate deliver a healthy dose of hydration, while the sheet mask allows the yummy ingredients to absorb into skin. Hello, glow. How to, after cleansing your face, simply apply and let sit for 20 minutes, then remove and gently pat excess serum onto the skin. There's that. So, okay, there's one thing so far I'm excited by. And then we're back to the sample packets. So we've got Tresemme Botanique, Color Vibrance and Shine Shampoo. I don't color my hair though, so that seems wasteful. I wonder if I can use it even though I don't have colored hair. Blend of pomegranate and camellia oil deeply nourishes hair and gently cleanses strands, giving locks a beautiful, healthy glow. It's a low-lather shampoo. No parabens, dyes, or silicones. Vibrant color for up to 8 weeks, except that I don't color my hair! Our first ever sulfate-free cleansing system with a botanical benefit, blah, 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 blah. Yes, that's the same shit, so okay. Well, there's that. But I don't color my hair, so I'm not that stoked over it. This is tiny. What is this? It's like a little pocket of a thing. Dove Dry Serum Antiperspirant. This is... Wait. Are you effing kidding me right now? This is deodorant and this dinky-ass little thing. A real treat for your underarms. Discover our new luxurious dry serum antiperspirant. Ultra lightweight, instantly dry to the touch, silky smooth underarms with up to 48 hours of protection. Curious? Feel it to believe it. Apply half of the sample to each underarm using your fingertips. Huh. And it's in the scent Rose Silk, a vibrant and uplifting scent of bouquet of rose, magnolia, and peony. But those who are concerned with aluminum, that is the active ingredient in this, so it doesn't, like, let you off the hook with that. So let's see, what does it say here? Dove Dry Serum Powder Touch. Dry serum formula absorbs into skin instantly and provides up to 48 hours of odor protection so you'll smell delish and feel clean all day long. Trick: applying before bed will allow deodorant to sink into skin overnight so it's even more effective the next day. Yeah, like I said, so far I'm really not feeling this box. Is this the last thing in here? It is. Well, this to me was the main reason why I even bothered. Because a big ol' honkin' razor. It's the Chic Intuition Trial Pack. 1 razor, 1 cartridge, no need for shave gel. So I'm like, Usage instructions. Step 1, attach the cartridge. Step 2, add water. Step 3, shave. Lather and shave in 1 step, and it's like built in. Sensitive care. I am indeed intrigued by this. If all it takes is water, I may be able to shave during this power out, so... let's see here. Chic Intuition Sensitive Care Razor. Signature Skin Conditioning Solid contains vitamin A and aloe to gently moisturize skin, while 4-blade razor and pivoting head provide precise control for a smooth, even shave. Tip: after you shave, rinse off with cold water to close pores. Well, all we've got right now is cold water, since there's no power to heat the water heater, so it's gonna be cold water no matter what. That's just... I'm really not feeling this box. And this is where people are like, you know, if this is the direction the Target beauty boxes are headed, stop buying them so they'll stop making them. And honestly, if this does become their new norm, I will stop bothering, because this does not feel worth $7 to me. I am happy about 2 of these. Meh about this guy. These 2 feel like a ripoff. Just saying. Just saying. I do realize that, yes, I did buy these. I was not forced with a gun to my head to have to buy them. I could have skipped it, but I bought them anyway, so I really can't bitch too much when I did willingly buy them. But I'm hoping that this is not a sign that they're just really cheaping out and getting lazy on them, because the Target beauty boxes, when I started buying them, were actually a very good value, and I was really excited to receive them, but now it seems like they're starting to skimp out, so I'm gonna, like, maybe give it till the end of the year, and if they haven't improved by then I may just cut my losses, but we shall see. Or maybe I'll just go a full year from when I started buying them. I started buying them in March. Maybe I'll just go through to March, and if they have not fixed their shit by then forget it. But anyways, that is it for this one. So as usual, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. What are your thoughts on the Target beauty boxes currently, as of now, with how they're doing them? Was there anything in here that you were excited about? Do you feel as ripped off as I do by this one? Let me know everything, all of your thoughts down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So, anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.